Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss about objects on Salesforce. What are standard objects? What are custom objects on Salesforce? Okay, let's start. So, basically, we have two types of objects available on Salesforce platform. One is standard object and another one is custom object. Okay, standard objects are what which are default comes with the Salesforce. Okay, they are available already on the Salesforce platform for us to use. Okay, based on our needs. Okay, what are custom objects? Custom objects can be created by the users. I mean, you and me can create the custom objects to use it on the Salesforce accordingly. Okay, so, like how to check like what are all the objects, standard objects available on the Salesforce? Okay, just log into any Trailhead Playground or any dev work. Okay, I just logged into my dev work. So, to come to this setup menu, you can just click on this setup gear icon. Okay, then you will be navigated to this setup homepage. Okay, now just click on this object manager. Yeah, so from this object manager only, we can view all the objects available on Salesforce. Okay, you can see here, right? Like standard object. Okay, it's available. And see, this is custom object. Okay, so now without seeing this type, how we can differentiate whether a particular object is a standard or a custom object? Right, by seeing the API name, we can see here, right? We have an API name. So these are called as labels by which we can view these on Salesforce, and these are called as API names which developer will be using in their code. Okay, for applying any changes or for their own purpose. Okay, API name will be used by the developers. Okay, now you can see here, right? For standard objects, API name is like this. For custom object, we have something extra called as underscore underscore c. Okay, so for any object in the API name, if we are having double underscore followed by c, then it's called as a custom object. Okay, if in the API name we are not having double underscore followed by c, then it's called as a standard object. Got it, right? The difference between both standard and custom objects. Yeah, now basically, what is an account standard object? It stores our company information. Basically, what is an object on Salesforce? It's nothing but it stores some information which we need. Okay, which the users need. So basically, an object is something which stores the information. Okay, now here, what is account object? I told you, right, already. Account is a company or an organization. Okay, now it stores the company information. Okay, and like instead of, we have lot of objects over here. Now if you want to quickly search for any object, just you can type over here, for example, case. See, case, you can see here, right? Case is also another standard object. Okay, case means what? Like it's related to service cloud. So if you need more details about this case object, then I kindly request you guys to watch my service cloud video, where clearly I have explained what is case and how to create a case and all. Okay, so that is all about case. Okay, and if you want to check about contacts. Okay, see, contact. So this is another standard object. Okay, so contact is related to an account. Okay, so like this, you can quickly search and find whatever objects you need. Okay, this is all about standard and custom objects available on Salesforce. Okay, now if you will open any standard object, for example, account I'm opening, so you can see here, right? We have lot of things over here. Like first one is fields and relationships. If I'll click on this, see, so these are all the fields available on the account object. Okay, so here fields also, we will be having the standard fields and the custom fields as well. Okay, and again, how you will know? You have to check this field name. You can see here, right? These are all the standard fields available on the account object, and here you can see, right, underscore underscore followed by c. So these are the custom fields created on the account object. Okay, so in this manner you can differentiate. Okay, so in another video, clearly I'll be discussing like how to create a new field, what are the different types of fields, I mean what is mean by pick list, what text name, when we have to use the pick list. So a lot of things are there, we will be discussing in the next video. Okay, page layouts means what? Like how a particular fields should be displayed on a page, on a Salesforce page. Okay, how the, so we can create different page layouts. You can see here, right, new option is available. So we can create a page layout and we can customize in such a way that how particular all the fields should be displayed on that particular page. Okay, lightning record pages is there, we can create a new page for lightning. Okay, buttons, links and actions, we can create a button. So these are all called as new actions. Okay, buttons, links and actions. So if we want, we can create a new link. So a lot of things are there. So these things we can look in the video. triggers are there, like validation rules means what? For example, if we are having any text box, okay, that should accept only characters, okay, it should not accept numbers and alphanumeric characters. So if we will create any validation rule for that particular field, that it should accept only characters, not numeric values. Then if by example user, while updating the data, if he will provide any numeric values, then it will throw some validation error, okay, for that particular field, mentioning that see the error message also we can apply, account number must be, see, here some examples are also there, okay. So these all things we will discuss again in detail, okay, just for a high level overview I'm just showing, okay. Now, how, if you want to know, clearly see the relationship between an account contact, so we have lot of standard objects, right? So if you want to explore the relationships, then what you can do, simply click on the schema builder, okay, schema builder. Yeah, so you can see here, right, schema builder. So what I'll do, I'll just, yeah, I'll remove these. So here, quick find, we have lot of things, so I'll just add first account, okay. In this manner I selected account and contacts from here, so you can see here, right, okay, you can do whatever you want, okay. So like this you can just slide, so account contact, okay. So I'll just maximize this one. So this is called as a schema builder. I hope you guys can clearly see this one now. Yeah. So you can see here, right? Now we will observe the relationship between an account and a contact. Okay. So see, account is contact is related to account. Okay. How? Lookup. We can see here, right? It's a lookup relationship. Means what? On the contact record also we will be having account name, so this account name is looked up to this main account, okay. So this is called as a lookup relationship. What is lookup relationship? So from the contact, the particular account name field will, this data will be looked up to the main account data. Okay. So here we will be having the account name, right? So from here we will be pulling the account name. Okay. So this is called as a lookup relationship, looking up to the account. Okay. And you can see here, right? We have some line with three lines again over here, means what? And account to contact is a one to many relationship, so this is one line, this is many, so this is called as a one to many relationship. Means what? One particular account can have many contacts linked to it, okay. So this is called as a one to many relationship. Okay, so in this manner, you can see the relationship between different standard objects available on Salesforce. Okay, if you want, you can select leads, opportunities, whatever you want, you can select over here and just see like how they both are related. Okay, so this is called as a schema builder. Now let's go back to the object manager. Yeah, now if you want to create a new object, how you will do it? Obviously, if we are creating a new object, that's going to be a custom object, right? So how to create a new object? Just click on this create. So you, in two possible ways you can create an object. One is directly simply by custom object, click on this, and you can provide all the details which are needed, label, name, everything, and you can create the object, okay. Another way is custom object from spreadsheet, okay. This is another option. So just click on this, so you will be navigated to outside of this external website where you have to log in with Salesforce or log into your sandbox. And what you have to do, you have to upload your spreadsheet, okay, where your object details are available, okay. If you will upload your spreadsheet, automatically what Salesforce will do, it will automatically analyze like from that particular object what are all the fields available, what are all the field values available, automatically it will analyze, and then directly you can upload it onto the Salesforce, okay. Then custom object will be created, okay. So two ways, from the spreadsheet by uploading, or directly you can provide all the details and you can create a custom object, okay. So that's all, guys. This is all about objects on Salesforce. Like, what is a standard object? What is a custom object? How to create an object? What are the relationships between an object? How to check the relationships between different objects by navigating to the schema builder. Okay. And what are fields and relationships, page layouts, everything. Okay. What are validation rules? Okay. Different things available for a particular object. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you found this video really helpful.